In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Cash App to Apple Pay. First of all, open Cash App. This app works as both a banking and an investing platform. Once your account is set up, you'll see your available balance displayed on the home screen. Next, tap the Card tab. Here you can request and design your own physical Cash App card, which will be sent to you for free. This card lets you spend your balance in stores, online, and can also be linked to Apple Pay. Now to connect it to Apple Pay, you'll see this add card to Apple Pay option. If you can't find it here, then scroll down and try to find it. If you still can't find it, then tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Under it, we need to scroll down here, then go to the support section, and then we need to go to the Apple Pay section. And from here we need to click on this link, which will be under related. So we need to click on here, but I can find the add card to pay option. So for that we need to go back from here, again go back. So we need to click on add card to Apple Pay. And once we click on it, then we need to enter our card name and card number, and then we need to click on next, and it will start adding your card. Now it will show you all the terms and conditions. If you want to accept them, then click on agree from the bottom right, and then your card will be added successfully into the Cash App. Here we just need to click on next, and then you can see if you want to set it as your default card in wallet, then you can click on use as default card, but I don't want to do it, that's why I'm just gonna click on not now. And now our card will be successfully added on our Cash App, and your PIN will be the same which you use in the app. Here we just need to click on done. Now your Cash App card is ready to use with Apple Pay. Remember, you can lock or unlock your card anytime from the Card Tap app in the Cash App for extra security. Finally, open the Wallet app on your iPhone to see your Cash App card ready for use. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.